Hi everyone, it's Melanie from EnjoyFreebies.com. And if there's one thing you should know about me, it's that I'm always trying to find ways to get more out of life on a budget. And how we do that is by finding things that have more than one purpose. Today I'm going to talk about a new way to store your jewelry. And I'm going to use my own jewelry box as an example. So yeah, this is my current jewelry box. What a mess. Am I right? I mean, I'm even keeping my earrings in their own little bag here so that they don't get lost. I also have multiple jewelry boxes lying around my house. This is a vintage one from my grandma, and I have some of my grandma's old jewelry in it. But, you know, you can't even see what's in here because there is just no good way to store it. So when I had the chance to try out this multi-purpose jewelry organizer from a company called Aoou, I was super excited, and I'm going to show you what makes this jewelry organizer so special and unique. Welcome to my bathroom. I am so excited to start organizing my jewelry in my new jewelry organizer. In fact, it's already in here. Can you see it? Well, this is it right here. And actually what I love about this is it comes in two colors. It comes in brown and it also comes in white. This dark brown completely matches my cabinet, so it fits right into my decor. Now, when I got this piece, it came perfectly wrapped. The mirror was in perfect condition. You can either hang it on the wall with the hardware that's included, or you can mount it on the door like I did. All the hardware for the door is included as well, and it also has a little Velcro strip on the back, so it keeps it from moving around. So I can open and shut the door, and it's not going anywhere. Check this out. There's so much room inside, and there's even an LED light that turns on when you open the cabinet as well. One of the coolest things about this is there's a key here which you can use to unlock the box to reveal all this storage inside. So inside the door we have 6 rows with holes for you to hang your earrings on. Let's hang an earring from it right now. There's also this thick bar here, which is a perfect spot to hang watches or bracelets, and 2 rows of hooks where you can hang pretty much whatever you want. And then on the other side, we have this LED strip on the top that turns on when you open the door with a whole patch here that you can put your rings in. Like so. More hooks. And then there's a little felt lined pocket right here that you can use to put stuff in. And at the bottom, you have a couple of drawers. Now they're loose, so you need to be careful with them. But you can put stuff like brooches in them. But my favorite thing about this organizer is these shelves right here. They're perfect for putting stuff like makeup, maybe some hair bottles, and other personal items that you want to keep hidden from view. Oh, hi! Once you're done putting all your jewelry away, you can check out your bling in your full-length mirror. Isn't that cool? So personally, I think this is definitely worth the money. I will put the link up on my video below so you can buy one for yourself. You can't go wrong with a jewelry organizer that doubles as a full-length mirror. It's perfect for small spaces. Now I just got to spend hours unraveling all my necklaces. So I hope you enjoyed my review of the Aoou jewelry organizer. Thank you so much for watching.